I'm sexy and I know it. Da, 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 da. Where am I?
Here! Marco!
Polo!
Marco!
Polo!
Shut up.
Where am I?
Right here. There's your pretty face.
I'm the Walmart Daredevil! Right!
No, my mom is.
I'm the Walmart Frankenstein. Lynn, where are you?
Right here.
Whoa!
Don't chase me.
Do I need to start dancing again or
Sure.
I don't want to scare anyone? I'm serious. I'm not that great of a dancer.
I'm not either.
Prom night, I tripped over my freaking heels and almost fell down the auditorium stairs.
You know you're saying that right in the video. Make me walk faster.
Want me to walk backwards?
Sure. No. Watching out.
I can walk sideways. Wait.
Oh yeah, so you can go over the railing?
Where am I? Help me, Lynn! Help me! Help me! I'm sexy and I know. Are we done yet?
Are we dead? Oh, dead yet.
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Are we there?
Are we there yet?
No!
Shut up!
Bite me!
You bite yourself.
Oh,
Loser.
Lynn, I'm coming to get you! I'm losing my bag, whatever else I have in it.
Your...
My marbles.
Yeah,
I'm losing my marbles.